So I bet you've heard the news, mortgage rates in the US are doing the cha-cha again. But what's really going on? Let's break it down in a way that's a little less yawn-worthy. Imagine this whole story, but in claymation, yeah, those wobbly little clay people with big googly eyes. Now picture Mortgage Marty. 1 week, Marty's dancing at 6.5%, that's the 30-year fixed rate, and boom. He slips and slides down to 6.35%. That's actually the lowest Marty's boogied since October last year. But trust me, he's still higher than he'd like. Last year, he was chilling closer to 6.2%. So while it's not a party, it's a mild reason for Marty to put on his disco shoes. Why's Marty wobbling? Well, it's all about the economy. See, the US job market just threw a dud, fewer jobs than expected. That makes investors nervous, so they rush to buy safe US Treasury bonds. And when that happens, the 10-year Treasury yield drops. Right now, it's lounging at 4.08%, its lowest level since April. Mortgage rates usually follow this number like a puppy on a leash, but here's the twist. The gap between them is huge. Usually the spread's 1.5%. Today, it's 2.27%. That's lenders saying, hey, this is risky business. Now let's clay walk over to the Fed, the Federal Reserve, the big boss of interest rates. They already cut their rates 3 times last year, but lately, they've hit pause. Markets are betting the Fed might cut again soon, but mortgage rates aren't exactly loyal followers. Last time the Fed made cuts, mortgage rates actually went up for a bit. Go figure. Meanwhile, over in the claymation housing market, buyers are stampeding. Mortgage applications just hit a 3-year high. But then they see the price tag, $410,800 for the median US home. Ouch. First-time buyers are feeling squished. High rates have made buying tough all year and prices just keep climbing. So, what's next for our clay friends? Experts say, don't expect a miracle. Mortgage rates will probably stick above 6% for the next couple of years. Even if we hit a mild recession and rates dip a bit, prices might stay stubbornly high. Demand just won't quit. Some optimistic clay analysts say things could get easier by 2028 after a rough correction. And let's not forget all the other wild cards. Trade wars, government moves, the fate of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Even adjustable rate mortgages are riding a roller coaster. In December, the 5/1 arm hit 6.88%. Now it's down to 5.98%. So yeah, mortgage rates, they're on a wild clay ride. If you're planning to buy, buckle up, stay informed, and maybe keep your clay wallet handy, but don't expect a smooth road anytime soon. That's your Mortgage Madness update, claymation style. Stay tuned.